In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Rocket League in Windows PC or laptop. So let's get started. First thing, we need to download Epic Games, and after that we can install Rocket League in it. So just Google Epic Games. We'll be having the store.epicgames.com. Click it, and to the rightmost top we will be having the download option. Select that, and the installer will be getting downloaded. It is around 80 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it, and we'll be getting the Epic Games launcher setup. The first step is changing the installation location, because by default it is going to get installed in local disk C. In many cases you won't be having enough space in that. So if you want to change it to local disk D or E, you can click change and change it. If you are fine with this, just click on install. So I have changed the default path, and I will click on install now. So you will also be getting this downloading update, so just be patient till then. Once it is complete, you will be getting an interface to sign in to Epic Games. If you don't already have an account, just click on create an account, and this will allow you to create a new account. Okay, so just sign in. We will be taken to the store of Epic Games. Just search for Rocket League, and here, as you can see, we are having the Rocket League game. Select this, just click on get, just click on place order, and click on view in library, and here we will be having the install option. So if you just click it, and this is going to be the default location where Rocket League will be installed. See program files. If you have very less space in local disk C, you can change it to other drive. So I will just click on browse and select local disk D, and here I will create a new folder. So right click new, I'll just name it as Rocket League, something like this. Select it, select folder. That's it, the location has been changed. And if you want auto update enabled, you can do that. Create shortcut, this is fine. So just click on install, and the installation process will begin. If you just click here, right, as you can see, this is around 34 GB in size, so just be patient for a while. Once it is installed, you can simply close it, and in our library here we will be having the launch option, and also here we are having a shortcut. Just open it. It will ask you to finish a basic tutorial and allow you to play a game, and after that you'll be getting the interface like this, and you can start playing it. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.